So 5 more questions we are going to learn today. That is, now you see, first question is, what is the what will be the value of expression? See, 14 plus 13 modulus 15. So now we have to decide first which operator is having higher precedence, modulus operator or plus. Definitely modulus operator is having higher precedence. So 13 divided by 15, what will be the result? Result will be, what will be the result? See, I am dividing 15 by 13. When I divide 15 by 13, so answer will be what? Answer will be 13. How? We cannot divide one time, so we will divide 0 times. So this is 0 and the remainder is 13. So in such cases, when numerator is lower than the denominator, always we will get the numerator as remainder. So this particular portion will give me, this particular portion will give me 13 as remainder, and 13 plus 14, the answer will be 27. So next question is, what is the value, what will be the value of expression? So now we have to give again precedence. So 2 are there, so this one is having, so we will write here 2. 14 to the power will be very big number, so I assume that it is 2. So whatever that value, 14 power 2 is 196 divided by 10. What will be the modulus of 192? So 14 to the power 12 is a very big number, but we can calculate. How we can calculate? See, then we have to remember what will be the, what will be the answer. 14 power 2. Now you see, last digit is 4 here. Last digit is 4. So 4 to the power 1 will always 4. 4 to the power 2 will always have 6. 4 4 ja 16. So last digit will be 6. 4 to the power will be always 4 4 ja 16. 4 ja 64. So 4 will have always last digit either 4 or 6. When it will have 6? When the power is even number. So here is what? Power is even number. So power is even number. So 14 to the power, see, 14 to the power 12 will, this is even number, so it will always have 16 as last digit, and before that some digits will be there. When I divide this number by 10, I will get the answer as 4. So correct answer will be 4. Right. So next question is, our next question is, say, what will be the value of expression 14 divided by 10? Now these are modulus and multiplication, both are having same precedence, so we will go from left to right. 14 divided by 10, what will be the remainder? That is 4 into 3, that will be 12. So answer will be 12. What will be the answer? Answer will be 12 will be the answer. What will be the value of expression? So bracket is having higher precedence, so 12 plus 10, 22 plus 30, that is 52. 52 divided by 10, what is modulus is, remainder is 2, so answer will be 2. Okay. So now next question is that, what is the value, what will be the value of expression 12 modulus? Both are having same precedence, but bracket is having higher precedence. So this will be, we will evaluate first 12 modulus 10, remainder will be 2. So this will evaluate 2 mod 3, remainder will be always 2, because numerator is lower than the denominator. Now answer is 2 double star 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8 is the answer. So right answer will be 8. So these are the 5 questions we have solved today, and hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video.